Wacky Wood Works. Yeah, bit of a power cut back home, and my bench tool doesn't work. I've come down to borrow yours if I can.
Let's go make something.
Considering I've driven all this way, can I borrow your dowel joint as well? And a lot of the rest of your tools? like this, and that, and maybe, I don't know, whatever it takes to make this.
Oh, so you want to use all my tools? No problem, that's what friends are for. You got
that line against that line, it's extended.
And you can see that there's also a second line just down
Yes.
in there. So if it's all lined up.
And the fence is square against the piece of wood.
Yep.
I push in and just plunge forward.
Yep. You fill the holes with glue. They don't need to be completely filled, but they expand into the actual biscuit. The biscuit actually expands because when you
right. So this will swell.
That will swell
to hold it tighter.
To hold it tighter, and it's giving a bigger gluing surface.
I know what type of wood it is.
It's woody.
Scabbed from an old dresser.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's some sort of American wood. It's not pine, which I thought it was when it was stained.
It looked like pine when it was stained, but now that we're looking at it, the grain is just not. Well, not pine that we're used to here in New Zealand anyway.
So down there. Yep. Down there. I need a U in my workshop in Auckland. 3/4 of a half.
So now if you see what I mean about how much squeeze out you're getting?
Yeah.
And it's just due to the amount that you're putting into the you see that's where one biscuit is and that's where another is. Yeah. Everyone knows this trick here. Your turn to explain this trick, what we're doing.
Stops you from cupping because we've put pressure this way. It'll lift that way.
Yep. Do you reckon we should put some on more? Probably, eh? I think we should.
Flashy bits of tape on the sticks to stop the glue from sticking.
Too many chiefs, not enough workers.
I wouldn't normally do it when I'm on my own. Yeah. Well, you can tell that both of us are used to working in the shop by ourselves.
Yep.
Bound together as a team. Yeah, funny thing about this is I remember that I've watched the video of you making this.
Cool.
Yeah, it's quite neat. I've always wanted to make one too, so I might watch.
Well, now you know how to make one.
Yeah, I'll copy it. So yeah, I'm cutting a rebate in here to suit the top of the thing that we haven't told you about yet. It's just a mystery. So I'm going to run this through there. I've set that at the distance from here to here that the top is thick, and I've set the height at half of this distance, which is 10mm, because that's a 20mm thick piece of wood. So yeah, because of the method that we used to cut it, I just didn't get the saw depth quite right. But a quick clean up with a chisel. And she's all wonderful.
See, I do hand tools on this channel.
You just get somebody
else to do
use their hands. So camera people out there in YouTube land, there's a rule of thumb for proportioning things and getting them right. You want to take whatever the width is and divide it by 3, and then your eyes just automatically pick up that I've got this as a third of that length, and this is the same height as that, as wide. So it's just a little art proportioning trick.
You've got more sanding to do.
I don't care how much sanding I give you.
Hey, wait, what?
So a bit of an idiot mark. I always put a bit of an arrow of where I'm going to cut. And if I'm doing scotia skirting, I'll start in the left hand side of the room and go that way.
Yep.
Because then when you get back to your drop saw, you know, and you get a bit confused, you go, oh no, I've done that left, and I'm onto this left.
Yep. You've just sanded off your marks, haven't you?
So, a lot of people go overboard with their stains and their finishes and all the rest of it. One of my go-tos.
It's just straight coconut oil?
Yeah, no, it's a jellified stuff that, but if you put it under a heater or a bit of a heat gun, it melts. And all that. And that's only one coat after you've done 6. Very food safe too, as long as the people aren't allergic to coconut. You can use it on spoons and bowls and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, this is just heating the wood up so it opens the pores more and accepts more of oil.
Hey Glenn, what'd you make? After all that?
After all that, it's a little bedside table laptop stand sort of thing that my daughter will sit under and uses it for her study, because that's actually the whole point of this trip. I've helped drive my youngest daughter 2,000 k's because she moved down here to Dunedin with her older sister, and she's going to finish her studies at Dunedin University. So yep, this is not a goodbye present, but there you go, daughter, have a laptop stand present for leaving home. And also, Dale, I'd like to thank you, mate. Just the internet sort of brought us together on the common ground of woodworking, and now we Skype and Google Hangouts and all that sort of stuff, and Facebook and Wacky Wood Works and YouTube, and yeah, and to be able to come down to your place and use your workshop and work with you was awesome. Yeah. So 2,500 k's later, go down to Wacky Wood Works to borrow his tools because my bench saw won't work. Get home, still won't work. Look at this. At this size table saw. I bet you if I actually plug it in. Look at that. And cheers, Dale, it was awesome trip, awesome time, good working with you. You got a mean little shop there. Yeah, till the next time, sweet.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.